My girls were both sent this remote-controlled puppy dog, and we took it on a little adventure. How cute is it? Seriously, my girls love dogs, and we have a dog, so they treated this like a real dog. The puppies came with us on a little grocery shopping trip, and it actually kept my girls very entertained, and it was entertaining to watch them interact with the dogs. So the dog walks pretty slow, and it was so cute to see my daughter slow down her steps to match her little puppy. They were even training their puppy as if it was a real puppy.
No, silly boy. Hold on. Let it go.
Can you give it a kiss?
We definitely got a lot of smiles from people shopping as well. I mean, the dog is so cute with its little tail wagging, little yapping, and even little barks. Plus, it comes with a little grooming kit so you can kind of brush and play with your little dog. Plus, you get to feed it. So cute.